Raj, quick question.
Hey Anjali, yes, ask me anything. What is on your mind today?
I feel so bad. I think I made a big mistake this morning.
Oh no, what happened?
I went to a new coffee shop to practice my English, but the worker looked at me like I was crazy.
Why? What did you say?
I wanted a strong black coffee. So I looked at him and said, "Give me bitter black hot water right now, man. I am dying."
Oh wow, Anjali. No. That sounds rude.
I know. Everyone in the shop stopped talking and looked at me. Am I a bad English speaker?
Not at all. You just need real daily words. Today, we are going to fix this problem together.
Oh, thank goodness. I hate deep grammar rules.
No grammar today, Anjali. We are going to learn 25 daily words by playing a game. Let's go back to that coffee shop inside our minds.
Inside our minds? How?
It is easy. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Let's imagine the shop together. Imagine you walk through the door. The shop has too many people. The place is completely crowded.
Oh, yes, it is very crowded. I cannot find a place to sit.
Yes, and because it is crowded, you must stand behind other people. You stand in a line.
A line? Like a human row?
Exactly. And you see a small sign on the desk. It says, "Please wait here to be served."
To be served. That means a worker will take my order?
Yes, perfect. While you wait to be served, you look at the big board on the wall. That is the menu. You are slowly browsing the words.
I am browsing the menu. But Raj, there are so many types of coffee. It is too much for my brain. It is overwhelming.
Great word. Overwhelming means your brain feels tired because there are too many choices. When it gets overwhelming, just stop and take a deep breath.
Okay, breathing in, breathing out. Now I'm calm. What am I looking at?
Look at the section for drinks. In English, drinks are called beverages.
Beverages. So, water, tea, and milk are all beverages?
Yes! Let's repeat these 8 words together, Anjali. The shop is crowded. You stand in line to be served. You are browsing the menu. It feels overwhelming, so you take a breath and choose your beverages.
Wow, 8 words already. This is so easy.
Now it is your turn. You walk to the desk. The worker smiles. He is very polite.
I like polite people. They are kind.
Yes, he asks what you want. You must choose a size. Do you want a medium, which we call a regular size, or do you want a small, very strong coffee called an espresso?
Give me the espresso. I need energy.
Good. Then the worker points to some sweet cakes and donuts. He asks if you want any pastries.
Oh, those donuts look so beautiful. But I want to lose weight. This is a big temptation.
A temptation is something you want to eat or do, but you know it is a bad idea. Say no to the temptation, Anjali.
I will be strong. No pastries for me today.
Good job. Now the worker asks you, "Is this for here or to go?"
Oh, I know this. For here means I sit inside the shop. To go means I take the cup outside to my office.
Brilliant. You say to go. You pay the money. The worker gives you a small piece of paper. What is that paper?
A cash bill?
Close, but in a shop we call it a receipt. Remember to not say the letter P. It sounds like receipt.
Receipt. I have my paper receipt.
Let's review. The polite worker takes your order for a regular coffee or an espresso. You do not buy pastries because of the temptation. You choose for here or to go and you take your receipt.
Okay, I have my hot coffee. I turn around. But the shop is still crowded.
Oh no, A man is running past you. Watch out.
Oh, Raj! I dropped my cup. Did I spill it?
Yes, the hot coffee spilled all over your hand. It was a total accident. You did not mean to do it.
Oh no, my hand hurts. It is very painful.
Yes, it is painful because that coffee was scalding.
Scalding? What does that mean?
Scalding means super, super hot. It can burn your skin.
Yes, it is scalding. What do I do?
A kind woman sees the accident. She gives you some white paper napkins.
Oh, thank you. I take the napkins and wipe the wet coffee off my skin.
Good, you wipe it away. Now you look for a chair. In English, an empty place is vacant.
A vacant table. Like an empty chair.
Yes, you sit down at the vacant table. You sit back, and now your body feels relaxed.
Wow. Finally, I am relaxed. What a bad morning.
It was a big, crazy experience for you.
Let's say the last words together. I spill my coffee by accident. It is painful and scalding. I use napkins to wipe it. Then I find a vacant chair, feel relaxed, and think about this experience.
Wonderful, Anjali. You know all 25 words now. Let's go to the error lab to check your brain.
Yes, let's test our friends watching at home too.
I will say a bad, funny English sentence. You must fix it using our new words. Sentence 1. This room has 500 people. It is too full.
That is easy. Change too full to this room is so crowded.
Correct. Sentence 2. I want a donut, but I am on a diet, so it is a bad dream.
Not a bad dream. Say, I want a pastry, but it is a big temptation.
Perfect. Last one. Be careful, the water is angry hot.
No, not angry hot. Say, be careful, the water is scalding.
Look at that! You did it! You fixed all the mistakes.
Raj, I feel so proud. Learning words through a story is much better than reading a boring school textbook. I can actually see the coffee shop inside my head.
Exactly. That is how our brains learn naturally. Don't memorize lists. Just look at the picture in your mind and feel the situation.
So, Raj, what should our friends at home do now?
Now it is time for their English practice homework. It is very easy and fun, we promise.
Yes, open your phone keyboards and look at the comment section below this video.
I want you to pick just one word from our 25 words today. Any word you like. For example, crowded, napkin, or relaxed.
Then, write one simple short sentence with that word in the comments.
Don't worry about making mistakes. The error lab is always open here. Anjali and I will read your comments and help you fix them very gently. We are a family here.
Yes, we are learning together. If you liked our coffee shop story today, please show us some love.
Click that like button right now and click subscribe to our channel English Practice. It helps us make more free videos for you every day.
Share this video with a friend who wants to learn simple English too.
Thank you so much for watching lesson 3 with us. You are doing an amazing job. Don't stop.
See you tomorrow for lesson 4, where we will make another big English topic super easy. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye bye, friends. See you tomorrow.